You probably don't know me because this is the first video I ever created in YouTube. Wait, cut that. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, this is my first video. So, we'll just the first the first video I ever made. Sorry about